Okay, so now that all the vertical blinds are gone, the place has really opened up and it looks much better. I'm going to install 5 motorized roller blinds, okay? Now, one of my competitors publishes an installation price list where they suggest that it's $50 to install and program a motorized roller blind. So for the 5 blinds that I'm about to do in the next half hour, that's $250, right? Now, if you had 20 blinds like that to do in your house, that's $1,000 you'll have to pay for an installer to do 2 hours work, all right? So if you look at my watch right now, the time is 11:06. Let's get stuck into it. While the clock is already going, I'm going to install the blinds. I'm going to set the limits. I'm going to change the speed. I'm also going to set favorite positions. And in between all of that, I'm also going to make a cup of tea. So let's see how I get on. So as you can see, I lied. We've now installed the 5 motorized roller blinds. We've set the limits, we've changed the speed, we've set a favorite position. I've started to drink my cup of tea and it is now 11:29. So that's $250 for 25 minutes work. So I'll take that any day of the week. I'm going to go and finish my cup of tea. It's now actually 11:36, so we've just hit our half hour mark. I'm going to have my cup of tea and I'm going to show you what these blinds look like when they're going up. I think it looks fantastic. The motors are the 2 Newton-meter motors. They're beautiful and quiet, as you can hear. Nice soft close. You can hear them all closing. And they're much better than those old vertical blinds that were here.